Okay, so I just got this replacement battery for the Eco 56 volt product line sent us to take a look at. So this is the 56 volt 3 amp hour. This is the factory 56 amp 4 amp hour. So it is a little bit larger, the one that we already have with our existing equipment. So there is a weight difference. This is much lighter, so it's going to be a lot less fatiguing when you're using products for a long time. But what I want to do here is test out, see if the factory charger works with it, and then also plug it into an Eco brand product and see how it performs. So right there, it did fire it up, and it is charging the aftermarket battery, and it's giving us a readout here to let us know, what the state of charge is. So currently it is in charge mode. So it is working. It did turn on the charger, so that's a good first step. Next thing, we're going to try it in an actual product and see how it works. So it locks in no problem. The fit is good. Again, it's actually much lighter than the factory version, so if you're doing quick jobs, this is going to be a lot less weight to carry around. And it engaged perfectly. So it is seated in very well. It's not loose or anything, so they did design it to fit in here perfectly, which is very important. I've seen a lot of aftermarket batteries just very sloppy. So let's try it out. So as you can see, it powers the tool just fine. So all in all, I think it's a great solution for replacement batteries for the Eco line, and this is the 56 volt, so this should fit in all of our tools. I'm very happy with it.